guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will give an introduction about states of matter. Before going to states of matter, let us know what is meant by matter. Matter. Anything which has mass and occupies some space is called as matter. For example, let us take this marker. It is having some mass and it is occupying some space in the air. So it is matter. Now let us go to states of matter. There are three states of matters mainly. They are solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. And we also have another two states. They are plasma and Bose-Einstein condensed states. Both states are not available in Earth, but they are available in the universe. These are the three states. Solid state. And the main difference between these three states are the van der Waals force. Van der Waals force is nothing but intermolecular force. What is intermolecular force? It is a force between two molecules that is called intermolecular force. Let us take three beakers. Here, this is molecule. And this is solid state. Since the molecules are tightly packed and there is no gap between the molecules. Here, in van der Waals force or intermolecular force will be very high. And it is liquid. Particles are packed somewhat loose. And van der Waals forces is somewhat less compared to the solids. And it is gas. The molecules are very loosely packed. And the van der Waals force is very weak compared to the liquids. Now standard state. The most common physical state of a substance at 1 atm pressure or at room temperature is known as standard state. For example, let us take water. It is available as liquid at room temperature. Therefore, liquid form is the most standard form of water. And as we know that we have three states, solid, liquid and gas. These states can be interconverted by changing their pressure and temperature. If we increase the pressure and decrease the temperature, then gas turns to liquid, liquid turns to solid. And if we decrease the pressure and increase the temperature, then solid turns to liquid, liquid turns to gas. And we all know the process what takes place between gas, liquid, liquid, solid, solid, gas. Now let us compare the properties between solids, liquids and gas. Now let us compare the properties between solids, liquids and gas. First, shape. Solids have definite shape. For example, let us take a marker. It has a definite shape. So it has shape. Liquid. It do not have definite shape. For example, let us take water. If we keep it in a cylindrical bowl, it will get the cylindrical form. If we keep into a rectangular box, it will get that shape. Gas. Gas also do not have shape. Volume. Solid has definite volume. Liquid also has definite volume, whereas gas do not have any volume. Density. Density is equals to mass by volume. Here volume of solid is very less, so it will have very high density. And it will have density less than compared to the density of solid. Whereas gas has high volume, so it will have very less density. Diffusion. Diffusion means rate of spreading. Solids cannot spread into the air. And liquid can spread, but it cannot spread as much as possible. Gas has very high rate of diffusion. Fluidity. In the name itself tells us fluid. Solids obviously do not have fluidity nature. Liquid has, whereas gas also has fluidity nature. Now, compressibility. We cannot compress a solid. We can compress a liquid up to some point, and we can compress a gas up to some inch. Here we can compress it slightly. And intermolecular distance, intermolecular force. These are quite opposite to each other. If there is more intermolecular distance, then less intermolecular force. Before we discuss that, solid do not have intermolecular distance. It has very less intermolecular distance. Whereas liquid has present intermolecular distance. Whereas gas has very high intermolecular distance. And just now I said that intermolecular distance and intermolecular force are quite opposite. So it has very high intermolecular force. It has less intermolecular force compared to solids, and it has very less intermolecular force compared to this both. So this is about the states of matter introduction. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.